real estate agents, I have a way to save you even more time on your transaction. Now, we have quick inspection reports, and we give you your inspection report usually within the same day, the minutes when we walk off the property. And we make it very easy to understand our inspection reports. But there's a tool that I have that can save you a lot more time. How many times have you done a repair request and said, okay, I need to ask for credit, I need to ask for repairs, I need to ask for replacements? And so I have to go and copy all those photos and all those comments out of my other home inspector's inspection report over to a different document. Well, what if I told you there was a way to do that without even having to leave the inspection report? So as you see here, we have photos, we use video, we use a lot of different comments, but everything's organized based on where it is in the house. And then also, there's a lot. There's about 40 comments on this inspection report alone. And what we use is there's a tool called Report Tools, Repair Request Builder. This is a very good tool. Very quick, very intuitive. It brings all the inspection comments over to this report tool. You can type in your flavor text here and let the agent know whatever it is you're negotiating on and say, hey, look, I need these specific items addressed. And you have a total credit repair up at the top. So you can rename the document. You can organize the document based on how high or low the dollar amounts are, what severity it is. You can look at all the comments in the inspection report, or you can say, hey, I just want to look at the ones that need further evaluation by a contractor and say, hey, I need this report done. So anytime you have an item that you're going to negotiate on with your client and you're going to go talk to the seller, you click the check button. You can add a dollar amount based on how much it's going to be. Now I'm just using random numbers to help. And you can say, look, I got a repair requested. You may want something completely replaced, such as an appliance. That can be added in here and say, look, I just want that replaced. Or you can say something with the video here and you can say, look, I need $500 for replacing these doors. The video is included in the report. You can type this real quick, or you can say, hey, look, there's something specific I want to talk about. And you can type whatever you need to in that section there. And you say, look, I need the repair amount of, $5,000 here. We'll say needs just to be fixed. I don't need any money associated with that. All these things are in the report and gives you a total here at the top once you've gone through all the comments. Now you can organize it I just want to see safety and items that need to be repaired immediately. Those items are in their own category as well. So when you're done with the report and you have everything where you like it, let's just say something happens and you accidentally exit out or backspace into another page. Well, you can come back here into the repair request builder and say, okay, cool. I want to go back to where I was working at it. Well, it saved all those comments. It saved all that information. All you have to do is replace the flavor text at the top. And then you can say, okay, I want to create the report. It gives you a link. This is a special link that's associated to this repair request. It can give you an email or a text message that you can send directly to the other agent and let them know, hey, look, I've sent you an email, I've sent you a text message, here's a link, and this is what they're going to see on their site. They're going to see that, hey, this is your entire repair request. It has all your comments that you written down here and the dollar amounts associated with it, and it's going to be post-dated. It's going to be post-dated to the date that you finish this report. So that way it shows that you did your due diligence. If you ever need to schedule a reinspection, there's an option here at the bottom to click that. There's also the option to go back and re-edit the request that you may need to change numbers or anything like that, or something that your clients may have changed their mind about. That can all be done here. And then finally, we have an option to add a PDF. A PDF is very simple. It gives everything here. It won't show the video. You'll have to look at the website version of this to see that video. But if you click on it, it's just going to bring you right back here to view that video for that repair request. So I hope this is a very intuitive and helpful tool to real estate agents. I know agents that have worked with us, they have mentioned how much time this has saved them